Hello guys. And they about to solve find the minimum number in a rotated sorted array. Where the we have a question reading but basically question here essay array be everyone say array assorting 3 4 5 1 and a 2, right? Which array we are? Array 3 4 5 and a 1 2. The original array na nkasa na AC. Right, 1 2 3 4 5. But omode a found rotate omode a found way. Our be actually right? In a found way omode a beni. Right? Jama rotate array. But oma rotate array ni say almost find the minimum number in the array, right? But in the original numbers be some things that you may notice here about array when you say numbers be from minimum to maximum be first one is always less than the last one, right? Into share this first portion of where has here every time you are moving along this one is what change right? Even ways to grandpa machine or left side has way is what change way, right? That's is one characteristics having right any number be our machine that from minimum to maximum be first one is what change in Indiana into ensign draw original we only been 4 5 1 and a 2. There's also another thing you can notice about it, right? And I see any breaking point, right? When we say this particular place is the only time number way is a switching number way, right? Every time be number way a switching the next one, right? Every time be way is switching way switching way, but in your true random say way a switching way, right? So we'll call anymore way 5. This is the only time the first number number is switching the right? So over back says this will be the only time number way it be a chain way because over has here way a switching way. I say over for my number and sorted. But at only this point in our being say over for my number na crossroad, right? Over for my number na sorted. But I say number no. But also frost being say say no number no swati. Those are the two key points you need to recognize. It will help you solve this problem. But anytime be answer I bet beside question be say find the number be in a sorted array, right? In your say say like find anytime be a question be a say blah 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 blah. For example, suppose you have a line for example this, right? Given a sorted array, anytime we have a sorted array, right? And also return the minimum element piano sorted array well the almost I'm here to as say use O of log n time solve the solution O of log n time, and O of log n time be a binary search, right? So one key thing that you need to be able to solve this question is binary search algorithm, right? Let's enter numbers in view. Again, we have 3, 4, 5, 1, and 2. The way a binary search algorithm in it, say we're finding the length of array, right? In 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4. Length is equal to 4. Length near 5, but index near 4, right? 5. And then we're divided by 2. Divided by 2, I bet you infinity, no. You see, infinity, no. Has it, right? No share value we are now they are compare. No what share, but characteristics now you are building up to that, no. So number way is what change the number need in so now, right? Now for the it means number way in the year the smallest, and now say number way is what change number need in a now. It means a number way and the smallest. But binary search algorithm do be same thing. It do same thing has an index and say because 0, 1, 2. Index 2 means 5. I do see 5, right? Now say do see 5. What are you going to do? We'll check is a 5 no. Is it less than the next one? If it's less than the next one, value no minimum next one. But also we have to say see 4. You see 4 so if 4 greater than number it means you are still on this increasing side of the array. You are still on this increasing side. No hase we try hase ni na egu. Na fe all the left no aba start to hase, right? But if that is not the case in so it means number na hwehwe no e wa hase no we try right side ni na egu, right? But maybe I made a video about binary search algorithm and give you more explanation of how binary search algorithm works. But for now, the main thing you should be aware of, right? The main characteristics is 3, 4, 5, 1, and 2. Focus on these 2 points. So if you have say the only timer way number way it be swatching way no, is when we do start breaking point, right? Right point way no. And as if you say so the only time a number way be swatching way no, right? Here's a point way. And I also every time biano say number no match share the from point to pointer. First number will always be less than the last number. But because say we normal rotating into first number is not less than the last number, into which means we have to still find it. Into binary search algorithm is what will help us solve this problem easily. And binary search algorithm, like it was stated in the question, right? Binary search algorithm a O log n solution. I think the space is O of 1. We are not really used to space in this solution. But yeah, first of all, binary search algorithm and these 2 main points. Say number no match share from a srukusi kesia. First one will always be less than the last one. And at this point, the minimum number will always happen at this point where so if I say equal first one no ebe swatch and the next one, right? And as if you so eba forma way be swatching way. In those 2 characteristics, there's already 2 trimper. So next Yenko solve a problem no with code, and let's see how it will look like. So like I said earlier no, first of all, first number, right, which is index 0 no, left, left is equal to 0, and then right will be equal to length of nums, right? Now, do you have a kind of first no? Anytime you be the first number no, be greater than the last number in the array. So if nums left is less than anytime be first number, which is 0 at this point, index near 0 no, be less than the last one. It means a number no much share that, until there's no point, right? It's already sorted into no, the minimum number will always be the first one. If that is not the case there, then you will use binary search algorithm, and binary search algorithm is always like left is less than or equal to right. The midpoint will always be left plus right divided by 2. And anytime so you should double in Python, so you should double divide by 2 and say na decimal number, whole number, right? Because we in here whole number any idea. So remember my catch on, right? If nums dot mid is greater than nums mid plus 1, then return nums mid plus 1. Let's go back here, right? So midpoint now you calculate for no. CBC has say now the midpoint is greater than the next one in the chain is here now. Next one in this no, and no, and I the smallest number. That is what I said. And at the first logic also, if first one way is less than last one way, which means a number is not much shared that. For example, 1 is less than 5. It's much shared that into no 1 no is the smallest. And those are the two algorithms are my choices here. The next algorithm no, and also be say if nums mid is less than nums mid minus 1, and return nums mid. Alright, again, so if we have say in a bar, I said ufi HG eba from say, I said nums mid ni ABC has say, I said nums mid no a less than mid minus 1 because I was sania, we say was sania, 10 bia HG has say no, ebe swatching and no, right? Into 5 switching 4, 3 switching 3, sa 4 switching 3, sa obafom. But some are rotating 1 no, I feed any switching way. Into that will be the odd one standing out, and never yet be indicated. Into no, and the actual I say no. Okay. Now, see here, the next one is say if mid no nams mid, right, is greater than nams 0. I'm trying to say nams mid no be see. I say nams mid no still a switching way. It means this whole part a increasing part no. To say a bit left no every hour be see hasi. Right, aba be see hasi. Be move left ni na aba be see hasi because the hwehwe na any hanum say. Because that part we na increasing part. That part we na a increasing part. Right. Left is equal to mid plus 1. Else right is equal to mid minus 1. Yes, I just return nums mid. So this is how the whole solution will look like. Yep. And see, this is how you solve this particular question. Again, most important thing to know is like it's a number no much shiny year that free hasi forma, it will just be decreasing. Or much shiny year that if you hasi cost but almost shiny year there will be a break point here, and that should help you figure it out. Alright. Thank you. Damasi Papa. Bye.